Hello everyone. Question is, what is the benefit of JavaScript remoting over Visual Force remote objects? Option A allows for specified pre-rendered targets. Option B does not require any Apex code. Option C does not require any JavaScript code. Option D supports complex server-side application logic. Correct answer is option C. Question is, a developer created a new trigger that inserts a task when new lead is created. After deploying to production, an outside integration is periodically reporting errors. Which change should the developer make to ensure the integration is not affected with minimal impact to business logic? Option A, remove the Apex class from the integration user's profile. Option B, use the database method with all or none set to false. Option C, use a try or catch block after the insert statement. Option D, deactivate the trigger before the integration runs. Correct answer is option C. Question is, a company has many different unit test methods that create account records as part of their data setup. A new required field was added to the account and now all of the unit tests fail. What is the optimal way for a developer to fix the issue? Option A, add a before insert trigger on account to set the value of the required field. Option B, create a test data factory class that serves as the single place to create accounts for unit test and set the required field there. Option C, change the required field to be a validation rule that excludes the system administrator profile. Option D, add the required field to the data setup for all of the unit tests. Correct answer is option B. Question is, a developer is writing code that requires making callouts to an external web service. Which scenario necessitates that the callout be made in an add future method? Option A, the callout will be made in an Apex trigger. Option B, the callouts will be made in an Apex test class. Option C, the callout could take longer than 60 seconds to complete. Option D, over 10 callouts will be made in a single transaction. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, sometimes events on Salesforce need to be handled by an external system due to the scale or type of process being executed. Consider the use case of a user in Salesforce needing to get pricing for an order they are building in Salesforce while on the phone with a customer. The pricing logic already exists in a third party system. Instead of recreating this logic in Salesforce, it will be leveraged by making a request of the third party system. The response in this case, the pricing will be returned and stored back in Salesforce. What is the optimal solution? Option A Visual Force page that can make a real-time Apex callout to display and save the pricing back in the Salesforce. Option B, an Apex trigger that upon saving the order will make a real-time Apex callout, saving the pricing back in Salesforce. Option C, a process builder process and outbound message to fetch the pricing upon save and store the pricing in Salesforce. Option D, an ETL tool to process batches of newly saved orders every few minutes to store the pricing back in Salesforce. Correct answer is option B. Question is, which use case can only be performed by using asynchronous Apex? Option A, scheduling a batch process to complete in the future. Option B, processing high volumes of records. Option C, updating a record after the completion of an insert. Option D, calling a web service from an Apex trigger. Correct answer is option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.